让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Hey, welcome back for Conversational Hakka here on ICRT.
Hello， 你好，大家好，我是 Alice Pong。
Hello, 你好，大家好，我是Lim Zepsu, Joseph Lin right here with Alice. This month, teaching you how to say don't know, 不知道。那现在5月嘛，对不对？又是春天，又要进入夏天，又是梅雨等等，谁知道啊？
所以呢，我的包包常常都带着一只雨伞，不管它好天或是阴天。
That's good. You know, right now, because the season is unstable, the month of May, it could rain tomorrow, it could be hot tomorrow, it could be cool again tomorrow. Who knows? We don't know what the weather is like. So why don't we listen to a conversation talking about this, the weather? Okay, 我们来听听这段对话。
地天公日天使用版么？
的呢。
给我来去看气象报告。
一起去看什么东西？是不是？
气象报告。
气象报告。
气象
报告。That's right. 气象报告。That last phrase you heard, that means the weather report. But let's break down all these sentences right here. Okay, 第一句话应该就是在问说，你知道明天天气如何吗？
地天公日。
地天公日。
天使用版么？
天使用版么？
天气怎么样？
天使 that means weather， 对，就是天气。用版么就是
如何啊，如何啊。
That means how is it gonna be？ 用版么？天使 again is just the weather. Do you know？天公日。
天公日就是明天。
We teach this a lot. Okay, you should remember that. 明天 tomorrow is 天公日。Okay, that's tomorrow. 今天在教的就是不知道啊。
的呢。
That means I don't know.So let me go check out the weather report. 那我去看气象报告。
给我来去看。气象报告。
气象报告。Now I know what that means. 气象 is the weather. 报告 report 嘛，对不对？ The weather report. All right. Well, let's break down some of these phrases, these words again, so you can learn them individually, such as 天气 that means the weather.
天使
and then tomorrow 明天。
天公日
and then a report 报告
报告
which means if it's a weather report, put those two together and it's 气象报告
Yeah,
that means 气象报告 And don't forget, this month we're teaching you the phrase don't know 不知道
的
that means don't know. Why don't we listen to the conversation again?
地天公日天使用版么？
的呢。
给我来去看气象报告。
And remember, check on the weather report so you know how to dress accordingly or bring an umbrella like Alice does. Well, that does it for today's Conversational Hakka.
什么大家？
汉字say张来了。
客家风情由客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.